Hey everyone, I'm Kathleen if you're new here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a lace-up braid, which is this really cool braid variation that I just recently learned how to do and wanted to show on this channel. Now, it may look complicated at first, but it's actually quite really simple. It takes barely any time to learn. So I hope you like it, and let's head into the video. The first step in making your lace braid is to section your hair off into two halves and place one of your halves over your shoulder. Then with the hair that is over your shoulder, you're going to section off a small piece of hair about 1 inch and then keep it separate from the rest of your hair. Once you've sectioned off a small piece of hair, with the rest of that half, you're just going to do a simple 3-strand braid, making sure it's really loose so that'll be easy when we lace it up. When you finish the braid, just secure it with a hair tie, and then you can also pull out the braid a bit if you want it to be a little bit fuller and easier to lace. So now that we finished the first braid, we're going to be doing another braid with the other half of your hair. Again, just another simple 3-strand braid, keeping it loose all the way down, securing it with a hair tie, and pulling it out a little if you want it a bit more full. Once both braids are finished, what we're going to do now is stitch them both together with the small sectioned off piece of hair from the beginning. So what you're going to do is take the small sectioned off piece of hair in one hand, and with your other hand you're going to place your pointer finger and your thumb through the first loop in your braid. Then grab the small strand of hair and pull it through the braid. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other braid. Take your fingers, put it through the first loop, grab the small sectioned off piece of hair, and pull it through. And then you're just going to alternate back and forth, pulling the small sectioned off hair through each loop as you go along down the braid, just lacing together the braids until you've run out of hair. So putting your fingers through the loop, grabbing the sectioned off piece of hair, pulling it through, going to the other braid, putting your fingers through one of the loops, and then grabbing the sectioned off piece of hair and pulling it through. So you're just lacing up the braids until you've run out of hair. Once you fully lace the braids together, then just secure it with a hair tie and you're finished. This braid is one of those hairstyles that look pretty complicated but are actually really simple. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll be back next Friday with another easy hair tutorial. So I hope to see you there as well, and bye!